Hey guys, I'm J-Tuxall, and I'm a rice ball. Today we're gonna be doing some more Spartacus Legends. With my boy, the Fridge. We're the same place where we last let off. And I guess we have to do another one. There's more places on the map that are now open. There's this one, and this one, and this one. And then this will be number 3. Anyway, let's see what gives us the most. Because we all in it for the money. What is this one? Okay, this one looks like it gives us something. So we're gonna do this one. Because yeah. Alright. We should give our guys something. Anything new? Didn't we have things new from last episode? What were new? Ooh, there's helmets unlocked. What is that? That's literally not going to do anything for you. Now this is pretty cool. I don't know. I want that. Roll speed, move speed. I don't know, this thing looks cool. It looks like it costs a lot though. And all these cost a lot. Oh, okay, now I understand. So, what are these? So you can have like 2 swords? Here's another sword, which we'd have to pay for. We need a shield, I feel like. I think that's our top priority right now. This one's a really cool looking shield now. Is there any other in stock? This one looks cool. So, it's either this one, which gives us roll speed, or this one that doesn't do anything for us. What is stats it gives us? I think I'm gonna have to go with the other one. I feel like. Kinda want to get it. I don't know. Let's not buy a lot of money. Let's just buy this one. It's less money. It's less money and we can buy better things later on. Let's see if there's any helmet that we can buy. There's this one. Any armor. Ooh, this one looks cool. What can we buy on helmet wise for... Okay, that's pretty cool. I guess we'll buy that when we get gold. Right now we'll do chest. Well, we can't do chest right now, but when we come back we'll have enough money for that. And there's lightning. You might hear it. Maybe. Waiting for the lightning. Alright, maybe we won't hear it. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have a what did we buy? We bought... I guess we just bought this. Anyway, let's go. Got a big huge oh, that's cool. It's got like a squid on it. I want that one. I would like one of those, please. It's got like a octopus or squid or something on it. Alright, let's do this. Oh, he's got a cool shield too. Oh, the Fridge. Give me a nameplate. Look at him. Look at his helmet. It's so... I don't understand. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Not this again. Oh. That stab though. He's got a good blade. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this guy's good. This guy's good. I underestimate. Oh my, this guy takes down health like it's nothing to me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We might have to go to the other level just so we can get armor. Enough money for armor. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh, lordy. Taste the rainbow. Oh, gosh darn it. Come on. No. He did it like it was nothing. Oh my gosh. I made fun of his hat and he killed me. Note to self, don't make fun of iron hats. But look how stupid it looks. Really. Can we be serious here? That's some really retarded looking hat. Can we get a gold, please? Ugh. It killed me. What did I get? Did I get anything? Not sure. Is that the silver that I got? Oh, yeah. Oh, it is the silver. Okay, yes, now we can buy some stuff. We get to buy armor, maybe, I think? I want to say it was armor. Not quite sure. Was it armor? Oh, yes, it was. Yes. Okay, we're buying this. Let's see how swaggish we look. Walk up in the club. Look how much swaggish we look. Alright. Now we're looking good. Now, now we are looking good. And then we're gonna get this pretty soon. We're gonna get this one right here, which we get at level 3. Alright. I think we are ready. We got some nice clothing now. Now we can beat him. Because he was all, oh, look at my hat. This is why we so good. Look at my new hat. Fresh Jordans. Well, now we looking stylish. We got our new suit and everything. Now we looking stylish. Now we can beat him up. Alright, let's do this, guys. Look at me. Look how stylish I look. Oh, that armor. Got all the girls. Oh, getting that. Oh, jeez. Look at him. He just attacks like it's nothing. He attacks like it's nothing. Don't talk about his hat. Don't talk about his hat. Ooh, look at that, though. Grab him. Grab him. Yes. Get as much health as possible. Just keep blocking. No. He's so good. Grab him. Yes. Literally grab is all we have to defend ourselves. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. Grab him. No. Use an attack. He does it like it's nothing. Don't taunt me. Oh my gosh. Can we even get him in red? I got new Jordans, leave me alone. Or maybe he's got the Jordans. I mean, look on his foot. They could be like ancient Jordans. Like how Jordans started out. Can we get him to red? Yes. Slice him. Yes. We got him to red. Alright, I believe in us. I believe. Get on the floor. Shake it. Leave me alone. Don't make fun of his hat. You'll regret it. Just don't do it. Don't make fun of his hat. You'll regret it. Alright. Since we keep losing here, I figured, can we buy shoes, actually? We actually might try to buy shoes, but we're gonna go to the very first one again. Just because it was easy, and you know, maybe we can get some coins. Maybe we can get some experience. Or whatever it's called in this game. Boots. I kinda want these boots. But we don't have money for them. And these ones are pretty terrible. So, we're just gonna beat them like this. Alright, we got this. We got this. Going back to number 1. This is very terrible. But, you know, we got this. We've got this, guys. Alright. So, my boy Freeze, or Mr. Fridge, we gon' do this, okay? We gon' do this. Look at him. Mr. Fridge. Look at him. And look at this guy. He ain't got no armor. Look at the terrible shield he has. Oh, I wasn't looking. Wasn't paying attention. Bring it. Attack him. Take him. Feeling like a boss. You do nothing to me. Oh, don't. Yeah, here we go. Bam. Need to figure out how to do moves. Oh no. Grab him. Take him down. Kill him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Who is this guy? Jackie Chan? Yes. Kick him. Yes. Get down. Yes. I find it funny how we're still struggling. Oh my gosh. Grab him. Put him on the floor. Knife him. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Well, he's almost dead though. He's almost dead. We'll be fine. Alright, come at me. Yes. Take him down. Alright, now sword him a couple times. And there he goes. Yes. We finally win. Fridge, you got it. You're the best fridge. I'd put my milk in you. Whoa, that sounds very disgusting. Okay, well, I'd put my eggs in you. That still sounds disgusting. Anything sounds disgusting. We will just stop there, and act like it never happened. Yes, we won. What do we earn? We're level 3, guys. Can we buy? And we got a gold coin. Yes. Oh, look at that. What is this? I want this. Oh, we're gonna buy that. And we're gonna buy that. Because why not? We're gonna be the best Spartan. Well, what is this? What is this? I don't think we're ready. Let's just go back to the place we were at. Okay, which one were we at? Wasn't it this one? Yeah, we'll go here. And let's buy a helmet so we can look swagged. Alright. We need, new J's. We need a helmet. Wait. What? Now I have to buy it? Oh, good thing we have enough money, actually. Yeah, we'll buy it. Actually, what else have we got here? How much are these, Jordans? We have to buy them now, too. They're both 400. What do we got for swords? Ooh, we can buy this sword. Says it's an excellent sword. Okay, we'll buy this, because it looks pretty swaggish. So we'll buy that. And we'll buy the helmets. Alright. How do we look? Oh my gosh. Look how swaggish. Oh, anyway, let's go. Let's do this. Let's get this done. I'm so tired of this guy and his hat. His swaggish hat. We're gonna take him down. Yeah, cause his hat ain't swag no more. He hasn't seen my new suit yet. Alright, let's do this. Look how swag I look. I am the fridge. What is he? I am the clothes person. He has a swag, uh-oh, not paying attention again. Oh, he did a roly-poly. Oh, lordy. No. He does so much power. I killed him. I took him down. Keep going. We're doing even amount of power. No. Grab him. Oh my gosh. Well. So how that one went. No. Alright, we got this. I won't let this happen. No, we're going on all swords. We're not even gonna let him stand. Not even gonna let him. You don't know what hit him. Okay. It won't grab. My person won't grab no more. It don't matter. Just slice and dice. Just slice and dice. Oh my gosh. Protect. Hit him with that 1-2. Oh no. Oh no. How? No. I won't let it end like this. We're doing it one more time. His pointy nose. He has witchery. I swear, look at his hands and look at his nose. He's got like balls of fire coming out of his hands and like it's like that green pointy nose. He's witchery, I tell you. Witchery. I promise you. We're going again. Right now. Let's do this. He thinks we're joking. Alright. Let's go again. We're not even gonna buy anything. Or can we? How much money do we have? Oh, no, we don't have money. Or do we? No, we're just gonna keep going. Okay. Oh, look at that helmet. That's the helmet I want too. That is the helmet I want. And I need. Because I want. And I want it. And I need it. And I want it. But look at it. It's like a bull or something. Like a goat or something. It might smell bad though. Now I think about it. Alright, let's pay attention. The fridge. He's a 62. That's why. I'm only a 32. I'm only half of how good he is. Get him. I hit you with that 1-2. How do I grab? I forget how to grab. Just attack. Oh, blocked all your shots, sir. Oh no. Block again. No. Yes, get on the ground. No. Get back where you belong. In the jungle. The mighty jungle. The lion sleeps tonight. Oh wee. Get down. Oh my gosh. No. Yes. Get down. Yes. Alright, first one we won. Alright, alright. He's intimidating me. Oh, I should have just went for knives, guys. I don't know what I was doing. I didn't know what I was doing. Alright. Block whatever the hell he's gonna do. Alright, alright. Come back. Yes. Yes, get sliced and diced. No. Yes. Get down. Get down. No. Get him. Yes. Ha. No. Yes. No. Oh my gosh. Yes. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Fridge for life. He holds your orange juice until you wanna drink it. Fridge for life. Yeah. What do we get? Ooh. We got some cool stuff. What is this? Block all grab attempts for 8. I don't really want that. I like the 10 attack or defense that we have on right now. Yeah. Alright guys, that'll be all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.